Forget expensive gym memberships and packed workout classes. In this video, we're unveiling the secret weapon for fat loss, a killer HIIT workout designed specifically for your home. No fancy equipment is needed, just you and your determination. We'll guide you through exercises that will torch calories, boost your metabolism, and leave you feeling sculpted and energized. It's time to turn your living room into your fat-burning furnace, so get ready to sweat. Number 1. Burpee. Crunches are a classic core exercise, but their effectiveness for overall fat loss in a HIIT workout is debatable. While they do strengthen the abdominal muscles, they primarily target a single muscle group. For a more well-rounded HIIT routine, focus on compound exercises that engage multiple muscle groups at once. However, if you're short on time or want to add a core-specific element to your HIIT circuit, crunches can be included strategically. Try incorporating high knee crunches where you bring your knees towards your chest while crunching. This adds a cardio element and works your obliques for a more complete core workout within the HIIT routine. Number 2. High knee. Don't underestimate the power of high knees for torching fat in your HIIT workout. This classic cardio move gets your heart rate up fast and engages your core and leg muscles. Imagine yourself running in place, but instead of short strides, pump your knees up high towards your chest with each step. Focus on driving your knees with speed and control, keeping your core tight and your back straight. High knees are easily adaptable. Go all out for an intense burst or maintain a moderate pace for longer intervals. This simple exercise is a fantastic way to elevate your home HIIT routine and burn serious calories. Number 3. Jumping jack. Don't underestimate the classic jumping jack. This simple yet effective exercise is a perfect way to kickstart your HIIT routine at home. Jumping jacks elevate your heart rate quickly, burning calories and boosting your metabolism. They work a surprising number of muscle groups, including your legs, glutes, core, and shoulders. Plus, the jumping motion improves bone density. The best part? Jumping jacks are easily modifiable. Shorten your jumps for low impact or add arm claps for an extra challenge. It's a versatile exercise that packs a punch for your home HIIT fat-burning goals. Number 4. Push-ups. Push-ups are a fundamental HIIT exercise for a reason. They work your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all in one powerful move. While a full push-up might be challenging for beginners, HIIT workouts thrive on modifications. Start with knee push-ups, where you perform the push-up motion with your knees on the ground. This variation still strengthens your upper body while accommodating lower strength levels. As you progress, transition to full push-ups on your toes. Remember to keep your core engaged and back straight throughout the movement to maximize benefit and avoid strain. For an extra challenge and a true HIIT burner, incorporate plyometric push-ups. After lowering yourself in a controlled push-up, explosively push yourself back up and clap your hands above your chest before immediately lowering yourself into the next repetition. This adds an explosive element to the exercise, further spiking your heart rate and burning serious calories. Number 5. Squat jump. Free your inner powerhouse with the squat jump. This dynamic move works wonders for fat loss at home. It sculpts your legs and core simultaneously, with your quads, glutes, and abs feeling the burn. Begin by performing a controlled squat as if sitting back in a chair. Then, explode upwards, reaching your arms overhead for maximum height. Aim for a soft landing on the balls of your feet before immediately transitioning into another squat jump. This high-impact exercise skyrockets your heart rate, making it a fat-burning machine for your HIIT routine. Remember, proper form is key to maximize results and prevent injuries. Focus on keeping your back straight, core engaged, and knees tracking over your toes for safe and effective exercise. Number 6. Lunges. Lunges are a fantastic way to sculpt your legs and core while boosting your metabolism in a HIIT workout at home. They work wonders on your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, and the constant balancing act engages your core for stability. To add an HIIT twist, try jumping lunges. Step forward with one leg, lower your body into a lunge, then explosively jump and switch legs in midair before landing in another lunge. Keep the movement quick and controlled, focusing on driving through your heels for maximum power. Lunges are easily modified. Hold weights for extra intensity or perform walking lunges for a lower impact option, making them a great choice for all fitness levels. Number 7. Crunches. Crunches are a classic core exercise, but their effectiveness for overall fat loss in a HIIT workout is debatable. While they do strengthen the abdominal muscles, they primarily target a single muscle group. For a more well-rounded HIIT routine, focus on compound exercises that engage multiple muscle groups at once. However, if you're short on time or want to add a core-specific element to your HIIT circuit, crunches can be included strategically. Try incorporating high knee crunches where you bring your knees towards your chest while crunching. This adds a cardio element and works your obliques for a more complete core workout within the HIIT routine. Number 7. Plank. The plank is a core powerhouse that deserves a spot in your home HIIT routine for fat loss. It doesn't require any equipment and engages your entire core, back, and shoulders in an isometric hold. The key is to maintain proper form, a straight line from head to heels with glutes and core engaged. You can elevate the challenge with variations like high planks, on forearms, or side planks, working your obliques for an extra sculpting effect. Whether you hold a plank for extended periods or incorporate quick taps or mountain climber motions, this exercise strengthens your core, improves posture, and contributes to a strong foundation for HIIT, exercises that burn serious calories. Number 8. Plank jacks. Plank jacks are a fantastic way to incorporate core strengthening and cardio into your home HIIT workout. Begin in a high plank position, forearms shoulder-width apart, body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core by pulling your belly button towards your spine. Now, mimic a jumping jack motion with your legs. Jump your feet out to shoulder width apart, then explosively bring them back together in a rapid jumping motion. Remember to maintain a tight core and avoid letting your hips sag throughout the exercise. Plank jacks effectively target your abs, shoulders, and legs, making them a well-rounded addition to your fat-burning HIIT routine. Number 9. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a fantastic bodyweight exercise to incorporate into your home HIIT routine for fat loss. They work wonders on your core and cardiovascular system. Start in a high plank position, then alternate, rapidly driving your knees towards your chest, mimicking a running motion. Keep your core engaged and back flat to prevent sagging. Mountain climbers are incredibly versatile. You can adjust the intensity by changing the speed of your leg switches. For a greater challenge, try bringing your knee to your elbow. This exercise requires minimal space and no equipment, making it perfect for getting your heart pumping and sculpting your core at home. Don't forget to fuel your body with healthy eats and stay hydrated to recover like a champ. Want more home workouts to torch calories? Smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a sweat session. Leave a comment below letting us know how you blazed through this routine and what other home workouts you'd love to see. Let's keep the fitness fire burning together.